in the times we are living now is the excellent solution, an alternative to keep receiving your healing. 1/3 of my clients are receiving distance healings right now because they knew the importance to keep our souls, our minds, our heart free of stress, anxiety, thinking of the future, the uncertainty. I want to invite you to give it a try. How does it work? It's very simple. How many of you know that distance healing exists from centuries and centuries? Do you remember when Jesus healed the employee, servant, centurion? It's in the Bible. Distance healing is one of the most simple and effective ways to send, between parentheses, healing energies to remove energy blockages from people. In the times we are living now is the excellent solution, an alternative to keep receiving your healing. 1/3 of my clients are receiving distance healings right now because they knew the importance to keep our souls, our minds, our heart free of stress, anxiety, thinking of the future, the uncertainty. I want to invite you to give it a try. How does it work? It's very simple. When you came here, you felt my hands and you believe that the energy came through my hands. Well, there is some part of that, but the truth is when I put my hands, I ask God to come and heal you. That's my best kept secret. So when I do distance healing, I was looking for my phone, just to explain to you. You have a cellular phone, you can talk to anybody in the planet at any time, even with somebody in the moon, if they have a phone over there. Why does it work? Because there is an electromagnetic field that is broadcast and catch only from the person, or received, let's put it that way, the person that is in tune with you. Energy healing is exactly the same. How does it work? You're laying down in the comfort of your home, you connect with me, and actually you are connecting with God through me, and I made the intention that we are connected. I scan your body like I do here with my pendulum. I use my pendulum and this graph, and I can find all the energy blockages that you have, all the energy cords with other people. And after that, the only thing that I do is exactly the same thing that I do here. The difference is that your energy body is with me, and we work strictly in the energy body, removing the superficial, second level, and the deeper levels of energy blockages. Give it a try and you will be surprised. I have in a page of my Healing Cancer in this century over 250 comments of distance healings that I've been doing since group healings since 2016, I believe. And I invite you to see my page with testimonials of distance healing. Why I am doing this? Because I know that many of you need help to go through this situation with grace, with a peace of mind, without unnecessary stress. The work of us energy healers is to remove the unnecessary toxic energies that we accumulate from everywhere. From the clients that I come or I do distance healing from all over the world, 60% of the energy blockages that they have, and that's the reason they call me, is because of the stress of this uncertainty, of this unnecessary fear that is affecting us very deeply, our energy body. Go to this page. There is a video of a doctor that works with patients in New York. He is in the emergency room treating patients with COVID-19. And he says, there is no way, it's impossible I can get this virus.
The reason I want to have this call is because I don't want you guys to be scared. We're 3 months into this in the medical world, and we understand this disease. And so I'm going to go through kind of ways to protect your family, and then what to do if and when, given the size of this call, it's a when, someone gets COVID, and how we can protect our circle. You may hear a little inflection in my voice, like I'm emotional. It's not because I'm scared. It's actually the opposite. For the first time in a while, I'm actually not scared. And so I'm going to share with you why that is. So just a quick introduction as to what's going on in New York.
So you will learn, you will have the peace of mind to know that when you go to the store, you cross someone on the street, he or she is not your enemy. There is no way we can get sick. We can catch this virus if we follow the simple 4 rules that this doctor teaches. There are other videos that are very useful, and I will be sending you information of alternative treatments just for you to have the peace of mind. My suggestion is this. For me, the virus doesn't exist. Why? I don't have it. If by any chance I get a virus, I have fever, at that time I will take care of that. I know that heat kills the virus. I work in an integrative cancer treatment for 23 years where we did a heat treatment called hyperthermia to kill cancer cells. These viruses are way more weaker than cancer cells. Heat kills the virus. I will give you this information for you to try. And if you have any questions, send me an email, send me a text. I hope you book your session and you will be gladly surprised. By the way, I am receiving distance healing from a friend of mine, amazing healer, every day for the last 2.5 weeks. I receive distance healing from my students every Thursday and Friday. We have a group of my advanced students that each student facilitates a group healing session, and it's amazing. I feel better than ever. I exercise every other day to keep my immune system up, because in case of worse conditions, if I have the virus, my immune system will take care of that. I hope to hear from you soon.